Hey, good afternoon. It's Rick with RK Stables. You know, we're doing some of these little training videos just to help folks get proficient at what they do with horses. This is a simple video. This is a lead rope or a lead line. And you know, when you purchase it, they look so pretty, right? And they're all rolled up. Well, guess what? I'm gonna show you how to roll that thing back up the way it was when you purchased it. So take the hook and hang it down, grab the rope about a foot, you know, let it hang about a foot, and then take the tail, which is the end with nothing on it, and just go ahead and wrap it right around the top nice and tight, all the way till you get to the bottom. Very simple. Just like that, real simple. And when you get to the bottom, you have this little loop left over. And all you do, you just stick the tail through the loop just like that. And then you can grab that knot and slide it down just like that. And there you go. And that's how you retie your lead ropes. This way they're not all over the place. And you can clip them up. Folks, we're at RK Stables, Keystone Heights, Florida. Check us out at rkstables.com. If you like the video, just hit like. If you didn't like it, just hit, thumbs down. All right, guys, have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.